So here, to check the status of CAQ, you have to first go on to Google. On that you have to type CAQ contact Quebec. Once you'll type that, you'll get this kind of screen, and the very first is the link for the official link of Quebec government. So you have to click on that. Once you'll click, you'll get this type of window. Now here it's clearly mentioned whom to contact. So as we are going to try from outside Quebec, and that is outside from Canada as well, from India, so we will be choosing this contact number and we will be calling them to know the status. Now there are also different styles, like through two different ways you can do this. As I have mentioned in my previous slide, you have seen that it is through email also, and it is through directly calling them. But I generally prefer to call them because I have received really quick response when we call them. And there are few documents which you have to keep along with you. I'll show you in further video, and you'll get to know which documents are required that you have to keep along with you. Now the other system is that, as shown, like you have to go to that official site again. You have to click on this link, and here see telephone number is also given. You can click on that. You can also send through a postal address, but that is not feasible. And now the third option is through email. So you can click on that. This is online query only. They'll not give you any kind of email address, but here you have to drop your query. So over here you'll find this kind of window, this kind of screen. You have to mention all the details over here. First thing, in subject you have to select for what you are submitting your query, and that is for studying in Quebec. So that is you are going to choose. And then the documents which will be required during telephonic time also are these as follows. At first is your name. Then you have to write your application number, your file number, then along with that your passport number is also very important, so you have to mention that also, your date of birth, and then you have to clearly tell about what your query is. I'll also paste this link in the description below so that you can directly check on the link. Now over here as well, mention your last name, first name, email address, city, country, and your contact number. Again, contact number is really important, though they have not mentioned, but I believe that it's important. Now the document checklist which I have mentioned in the message column, these are the documents, these are the things which will be required when you have a telephonic query also. So during both the time you can keep these documents along with you. That will be really helpful. I hope this video was helpful to you, and you'll find it easy to understand as well. If you have any queries, you can drop us a comment. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.